Ladies and gentlemen! Woo! All the way in San Diego! Give it up for the Hinges! That's all we got!
You know, I have a confession to make. You know that girlfriend of yours, like 6 months ago?
Holly?
Mary? What, Mary Polly? Yeah, Mary Polly.
Oh, that one.
When she was drunk and she was passed asleep, I put on the Hamburgler outfit that you guys had. and I just kissed her, man. That was it, man.
What?
I kissed her on the cheek. Jack.
I don't think I'm going to make this training for the marathon. I mean, this is only a 100-foot hill.
I'm your coach and I can't make it either time. This is my job!
Maybe you need a coach to coach me. I mean, it's not unusual. I mean, I'm going to pass out.
Now listen, look at my eyes. That's all I got. This is all I prepared for, is look at my eyes.
They're really pretty.
Thank you.
I'm not attracted to you.
No, I totally understand.
No, really, I'm not attracted to you. So why are you thinking that? Oh, come on, man. I have a girlfriend.
Okay, it's all out!
That's what happens when we stick our hand in the cookie jar. Before mommy's done baking all the cookies.
But the dog made me get the cookies. He stared at me and it was still the big brown eyes that he had. The fluffy, get those fucking cookies. Nobody else can hear me. Stick your motherfucking
Dog doesn't talk.
Yes, he does! I see it's funny.
I'm Percy. I'm your cat. And then share it with the dog and
You have to say you're sorry about that after you, kiss raping my girlfriend. I'm sorry, here's a card. Doesn't exactly kind of...
You need a card. We have everything here. We pretty much have everything.
Kiss rape girlfriend?
The cat hanging from a tree saying, sorry, kiss rape somebody?
Oh, I love it. He's gonna love it. Oh my, wait, let me see. Oh, this is not...
Cut back.
I don't know, doctor. It's just, I just keep having this recurring nightmare. It always starts the same. I'm sleeping, and then the Hamburgler, remember the Hamburgler, comes in and rape kisses me. I mean, how does that make you feel? Honestly, pretty fucking shitty. Honestly.
Basically what you're saying is she felt pretty fucking shitty. That doesn't... I'm trying to find out what's going on with my life, and you're just telling me that... Can you give me anything better? Something...
I'm the guy who caused this whole mess, and I feel terrible. Feel awful.
He's got the card in his hand.
I got the card. Look, I got the Hallmark card. It says, I'm sorry, I kiss raped her.
Terrible is not a feeling.
Loudly.
Better.
Shitty.
Shitty is a feeling.
Yeah.
My girlfriend doesn't want me training with you anymore. I told her it was just, you have pretty eyes. I mean, there was nothing more to it.
Look at me and tell me that you don't want to see me anymore.
You're with him again. Come on, I just hit mile 10. What is your problem?
You gotta try this another way, okay? You can't run up to him smiling. Okay, you have to run up to him and go, you have to get mad at him, okay? You have to be like, look, this isn't okay
I'm
anymore.
supposed to be nice
You're
person.
too nice!
Oh.
You're too damn
Are you
nice!
seeing another doctor behind my back? Who's this guy?
I'm a mood doctor.
A mood
I'm a
doctor?
doctor.
He doesn't try to I put a lot of thought into those drugs I prescribed you. I know, but they're not helping. I'm still even nicer.
Yeah,
I'm happier.
She's too nice. This is
People
your
like
fault. I
happy
should be yelling at
people.
you.
Excuse me?
Excuse me? I should be yelling at you.
What the fuck is this? The man is gone! You better...
I had it custom done. I got the Hamburgler outfit in there, and it's like he's saying sorry.
You got it fully customized. Listen, this isn't.
I had to buy 50 of them, man.
You can't keep coming here, okay? It's been 4 months since then. I'm just gonna have to close the door in your face, okay?
No hummus. I brought hummus. Not so tough now, is it? Red pepper, the kind you love.
My wife, my girlfriend, and my other trainer doesn't know I came here to meet you. This is so dirty. You guys, this is dirty. I can't get enough of your eyes. It's our secret, okay? It's our secret.
Oh, Jesus H. Christ!
I found you here again!